What's up YouTube? I am doing a Hot Wheel car unboxing, and I have a bag here of Hot Wheel cars. Just going to be shuffling them around here. Let's see which one I pull out. Okay. This is a Camaro race car. There's the back of the box. I had that track at some point. I got rid of a lot of it, sadly, so I never did. Here is the unboxing of this cool Camaro race car. It's got a safety net on both sides. Love this Camaro. Looked pretty fast to me. Probably very, very fast. Splitter looks pretty low to the ground. It's got a cool looking spoiler. I love the orange and white. I like the orange checker pattern. It's really not much to go over with this one. Yeah, not much. Next one is a newer type of Hot Wheel car, the Custom 01 Acura Integra GSR. I like to collect Hot Wheels as well, preferably real ones, not like the fantasy. Real type cars I like to collect. I don't really care to collect the older, well, the fantasy. I have some, but I didn't get them. If I did, then I was just a kid, not knowing about Hot Wheels much. I love the wing on the back of the car. That's really cool. Really cool car here. It's the bottom of it. And I might have enough time to do two more cars here. So the next one is a 68 Copo Camaro, which I really, yeah, it's a 68 Copo Camaro. I thought it was a Dodge. It looked more like a Dodge. Some old type muscle car. I love the blue on it. Really cool car. It's got some smudges on it, but oh well. The last car for the Hot Wheels for today, 75 NASCAR Circle Tracker. It's a NASCAR Hot Wheels. Collect these as well. I love NASCAR. If you haven't known, go check out my other videos of my NASCAR unboxings and stuff if you are a NASCAR fan. Oh, whoops, did not mean for that to happen. Here is the car. Very cool. Car's got orange windows. Prefer it to be black or clear or something like real NASCAR, but oh well. Really cool car. Love the white. Looks pretty fast. Hot Wheels 75th anniversary, which is a very cool car, and this is the car NASCAR type wing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next.